Hey everybody, I just did a big water change on my 125 here, and I was about to shoot the after part of my before and after video. And while I was sitting here kind of looking at the tank, letting the dust settle a little bit, I noticed this one particular rainbow fish is acting really strange down at this end of the tank. Now, it's pretty normal for them to display spawning behavior right after a big water change, but this almost looked like it's like nesting behavior, almost like it's defending eggs or something like that. For a little bit, I almost wondered if it was taken ill or, not functioning properly. It was swimming in corkscrews or something. And the more I watched it, the more I realized that's not the case. Occasionally it swims out and it swims around like everything's just fine and normal. But it's staying at this end of the tank, and it is definitely sort of hovering around underneath of the lotus leaves there. It also keeps moving over here to the Java fern a little bit, as you can see. But it really does this sort of nestling up underneath of these leaves on the lotus over here. And so I'm wondering what is going on and why it's doing that. I've never seen this behavior in my rainbow fish before, and I'm wondering if anybody else has. Maybe it is, in some kind of shock. Maybe something happened during the water change or something, but I can't imagine what. This fish has had years and years worth of those kind of water changes, and you can see it's now acting almost defensively against this little territory down here. So it certainly doesn't seem like it's ill now. Now that's another male, that bright orange one that we just saw. The one we're looking at is a Marci rainbow fish, if you're wondering. It is a hybrid. And I'm not 100% sure of the lineage. I know one of the parent fish of the hybrid is... can't even think of it now. Parkinsoni or Parkinsonii, however that's pronounced. A Parkinson's rainbow fish. So if you're looking for a very similar rainbow fish to these Marci, look up a Parkinson's rainbow fish. They look very, very similar to this. But this Marci rainbow is a hybrid, so... I'm not a big fan of buying hybrids and weird stuff that don't really occur naturally, so I'm not going to buy any more of these, even if I do see them again. The bright orange one you see there is a Millennium rainbow fish, but it is now albino Millennium. And I do have 3 female albino Millenniums. These sort of yellowish orange ones are the females. And so those 2 males down there are displaying their normal post-water change behavior. They're chasing each other around the tank, showing off how pretty they are. All that good stuff. What is this one doing? I have never seen a rainbow fish do this before. It's very clearly rubbing up against that leaf and kind of getting up underneath of it. Now, first of all, this one's male, so if anybody's suggesting it's perhaps laying eggs or something like that, that's very unlikely. It may be attempting to fertilize some eggs. I don't know if that's maybe a possibility. It doesn't appear to be. I would imagine that would be something we could see if it was doing it. And moreover, these rainbow fish are egg scatterers. I've actually seen the males and females pair off and do their thing. And they just sort of zip away and scatter the eggs all over the place as they go. They don't lay them on leaves or, substrate or anything like that. They just scatter them and let the little eggs fall down between the nooks and crannies in the substrate. So I'm really, really interested as to what this fish is doing. So there you go. That's enough of a look at it, I guess. It's not really going to do anything different than what we've been watching for the last 5 minutes. So if you have any idea what this is, please let me know. I'd be really interested to find out. or thoughts, opinions, whatever. Just let me know what you think it might be even. I'd be interested in considering any idea at this point. Not really sure what this is. Anyway, there you go. Make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss the big water change video I was just talking about. That'll be coming out in a little while here. So thanks for watching this one. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you real soon in the next one.